All right, are you ready? You know ukelikethepros is going to get in on this party right here. This is the Risa LP. This one is a tenor 432 Les Paul style electric ukulele. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and man, I am excited about this video. I actually had to get my Marshall 1970 100 watt super bass head out, and I got a bunch of pedals down below to go over these because if you know my history, this is right up my alley right here. So anyway, you've been seeing a lot of these videos about electric ukuleles, and these right here, the Risas, they're the best. You know how we roll over here at ukelikethepros. So thanks for being here. If you haven't done so, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification. We're going to go over the tenor size, but just so you know, these do come in soprano size as well, and they come in 3 colors. The one that I'm holding over my neck here, that's the tobacco sunburst. They come in the cherry sunburst, and they come in the black as well. All right, so these are available now, finally, at store.ukelikethepros.com, and I'm super excited to have these. These are amazing instruments if you're looking for super high quality in your electric solid body ukulele. This right here is the way to go. By the way, you can play it clean too. You don't have to have it all distortion. I can turn down. You don't have to have it all distortioned out like I've been doing. And I'll show you some clean. You can play some jazz and everything like that. So anyway, this right here, this is the Risa. Got my pedals. Get my pedals turned off. All right. This is a Risa. This one is an LP. What could LP stand for? What could this be right here? Les Paul style. You know, we don't want to get in trouble with Gibson, but Les Paul electric uke. This one is a tenor size. This model number is 432. And they do have the soprano, the 363 in cherry sunburst, and also in black. But for this one, we're going to stick with the tenor size. So, all right, we're going to do some playing. I'm going to go over all the specs here for you as well. We're going to have a great time with this video. Thanks for being here. Make sure you smash that like button. All right, check this out. You got solid mahogany. All right, this is solid. This is not your normal ukulele. Actually, let me take the strap off here. Solid. Let me turn these things off. All right, solid mahogany. It does have the arch top here, just like a standard Les Paul style. And then this is really cool. So this is the tobacco burst where you get kind of the darker center, goes out to the black, and then it's black on the sides. And the back, of course, with the classic cutaway right here. Now, what's cool about these is that they come with the 2 Risa humbuckers. All right, so I'm going to put the strap back on for you. All right, so you got the 2 Risa humbuckers here. What is a humbucker? That's a good question. Humbucker is basically 2 single coils that are put together. And the one, they give a nice, powerful sound. And 2, they also eliminate the hum, which a lot of single coils can have, like in the Stratocasters or in the Telecaster. Now, what's cool about this right here is you got this 3-way switch here. When it's down, you're using the back pickup here. This is called the bridge pickup. Notice no effects in there. What effects do I have today? Do you know? Think about, I have 4 effects down here on the floor. I'll give you a few minutes here to think about it. Put the comments below what effects that I have. All right, so you have the clean. Now, this right here is your volume. I'm sorry. This is your tone knob for this back. So if you notice, you roll it off, you get a little bit more bass. When you roll it up, bam, you hear that treble kick in. And then you have the volume for this back pickup. All right, then you have the, well, let's go up. We're going to flip all the way up now. We're going to use what's called the neck pickup. And notice the sound difference. All the way up. All right. Generally, this neck pickup's a little warmer, a little fatter sounding. I think on the Les Pauls, they called out the rhythm, like the rhythm one, and then the back one's the lead one. But it doesn't matter. It depends what tone you're looking for. All right, so you got the nice fatter tone with this neck one. And then, again, you do have the tone knob here. You can roll on or off. All right, what effects did I have? All right, before I get to the middle here, why don't I play each one of the effects? You tell me in the comments below which one I'm using. All right, which was that? Number 1, that was effect number 1. What was that? The wah-wah pedal, of course. Do you have to have all these effects to play this thing? Of course not. You can play it like I mentioned earlier. Nice and clean, but why not? If you have electric ukulele like this, go ahead and bring out some effects out. All right, next one. Distortion. Distortion pedal. All right, this one might trick you here. What's this next one? All right, that was my chorus pedal and then the last pedal. All right, and that's my delay pedal, and sometimes I'll use all of them together. All right, back to the Risa here. Now, if I'm in the middle pickup here, this is actually using both the bridge and the neck pickup together, and so both, all the knobs, the volume knobs and the tone knobs will work for this one. This one's gonna give you a little bit more of a powerful sound when you're playing it. Incredible. Is it the ukulele? Is it the pedals? Is it the amp? Is it me? I don't know, but I'm definitely putting it a lot on this instrument because these things are really, really cool. All right, let's get to the rest of it. Let me turn the volume down. All right, so the rest of it here is, let me pull this off here. You got, oh, I'm getting a little feedback here. All right, there we go. You got a solid mahogany neck that's painted black. You have the nice geared tuners here. You have a truss rod, which is really cool on this one. Now, a couple things here. This one has what's called the 0 fret. So notice you have the nut here, and then it has a 0 fret right here. And that's gonna help with intonation, and that's gonna help just keep it in tune a little bit better as well. So you got a 0 fret here. You're talking about a tenor here, so this has got a 17-inch scale length. And what I did is I measured from the inside of the 0 fret to the beginning of the bridge here, 17 inches, and then you have an 1 3/8 nut width right here. So this thing, like if you haven't played it, by the way, it comes with 2 strap buttons already and ready to go, and then this one does the through the body strings is when you play it. This thing right here, when you hold it, when you feel it, you can, that's quality's there. I mean, you can just feel the quality in this workmanship. It's absolutely unbelievable. That's why we have them at store.ukelikethepros.com. What do you think so far? What do you think? Go ahead and leave a comment below and let me play something for you. All right, so it doesn't matter if you're doing something clean. By the way, these are steel string ukulele, not nylon strings, not fluorocarbon, not nylon. These are actually steel strings. But it doesn't matter if you're doing something clean or something a little bit more rocking. This Risa LP Les Paul style, let me turn these down, is amazing. Store.ukelikethepros.com. Don't forget, you got the tenor size and the soprano. You got the tobacco sunburst, the cherry sunburst, and the black. All right, so that's going to do it for this one. By the way, they do come with a Risa padded gig bag. So anyway, I appreciate you being here. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of these electric ukuleles? Yeah, don't forget, store.ukelikethepros.com. And if you want to learn how to get down with these things, that's ukelikethepros.com. Over 20 courses, premium membership, all that stuff. So yeah, thanks for being here. Thanks for sharing this video, by the way. That's a huge part of this. And be safe. And I appreciate all the support. We'll talk to you soon.